come, let us prepare, make some good profits this week. Very importantly, you have to understand a few liquidity levels right here. All right, let's talk about that today's video. There are some news that may drop next couple of days, lots of volatility. So remember, the name of the game is to find profits in the charts. Don't be too concerned where this wants to go. You will always be able to find profits in the charts. Now, at this point here, you see the green has already started building liquidity. Penny perfect, isn't it? And you see how we have already dug to that 5-day moving average, and that possible inverse hadn't showed a pattern right there. Now, ideally, the market gives us another entry here. This will be absolutely beautiful, right? Especially with a news candle. But no prediction. You just have to trade as structure demands. If you miss this and the market is making moves too quickly, right, you can always wait for the 200-day moving average to be retested close to cup. By then, you will already see your 5-day moving average forming. This is the 20-day moving average already forming a beautiful handle with the structure right there, turning into support if these wants to break up to above the 200-day moving average. We are still under the 200-day moving average right there. Right, so you have to be more mindful. This is the 200-day. We're still under that. But you see how the 5-day has already plateaued and already starting to trend up together with the bottom Bollinger. And as I also mentioned, the upper Bollinger is also already trending down. That means that there is less supply that's overhanging at the top right now. So these are very important clues, isn't it? So you have to know what I'm talking about here by watching the videos in the description starting from the previous video, and you can chain up my thought process throughout the entire week and you can understand where we're at right now. So back to the 30-minute chart here. Pay close attention to that. Now, what I worry here is this blue algorithm here that's building liquidity here. So if we do have clear rejection of the 20-day moving average, this is actually excellent liquidity to head down. So they have already laid some liquidity traps here. You just have to be a little bit more mindful. But however, you just have to pay close attention to the orange here together with the blue. So there is this orange and blue algorithm here that you have to pay close attention to. By then, you will already see 5-day coming close to that level, and we will grab this liquidity quite quickly and handily too. So watch for cups close here, especially with that blue algorithm here. There are several blue algorithms here I want you to pay close attention to. One will be here where this orange liquidity will be, and another will be where the another orange liquidity here. So pay close attention to that. Wait for 5-day to close the cup, because you see 5-day already defended twice here. So wait for 5-day close cup and for handle if this wants to continue heading down. There is lots of liquidity on the way down, so don't have to worry if this wants to go down. As I always tell you, you will not miss it. And so especially here, this liquidity here, by then, as I mentioned to you, 5-day would have already turned into some sort of resistance, grabbing this liquidity on the way down. Pay close attention to how it's selling. Because ideally, if it's selling in the orange, it's all right. It's not that great, but you want to see selling in green before you attempt to short this further. If this wants to head down, you absolutely will not miss it. So don't be too worried about that, right? There's very key liquidity here. Wait for inverse cups to close. Just at the meantime, just be more careful as we reach the 20-day moving average. That's exactly where we at. 20-day moving average is where we're pinned right in the middle of the Bollingers, and you see 5-day already starting to trend up to where the 200-day and the 20-day moving averages are. So this is a very clear sign the market is indecisive. Don't worry, when the market has made a decision, you will have plenty of runways to find profits in the charts. Don't be timing the market. Focus on finding profits in the charts. I promise you, you still will be able to do well in this. So stay focused throughout the entire week. Wait for guidance in the Discord server. And as always, every single day I will be providing analysis. Please just stay tuned and we're going to be all right. Start the new quarter. This is the new full week of the new second quarter of the year. Stay focused. get it done, discipline, and do it step by step, level by level, algorithms by algorithms. There's no need to be waiting for the big moves, right? Find profits in the charts, feed your family every single day. That's your objective. Stay focused to objective. Thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.